Welcome, future millionaires and financial enthusiasts. Get ready to embark on a journey of financial enlightenment. Today we'll peel back the layers of wealth building, illuminating the path to financial freedom, one step at a time. From mastering your mindset to mastering the art of investing, we'll delve into the strategies that can transform your financial landscape. So, buckle up and prepare to navigate the road to wealth with clarity and confidence. If you're ready to take control of your financial destiny, you're in the right place. Begin your wealth journey with the foundation of success mindset. Embarking on the journey of wealth building is not merely about crunching numbers or having a solid financial plan. It all begins in the mind. To create wealth, one must first cultivate a mindset that's conducive to success. Think of your mind as fertile soil. If you sow seeds of abundance, resilience, and a willingness to learn, you'll harvest a bountiful crop of financial success. This means viewing the world through the lens of opportunity rather than scarcity. An abundant mindset embraces the belief that there's plenty out there for everyone. It's an understanding that wealth is not a zero-sum game, but rather a rising tide that can lift all boats. Resilience, on the other hand, is the ability to bounce back from setbacks, to keep going despite the odds. In the world of wealth building, there will be challenges, there will be failures, but each stumbling block is an opportunity to learn, to grow, to become better. And of course, the willingness to learn is key. The landscape of wealth creation is constantly changing, and staying informed is crucial. Be open to new ideas, new strategies. Be a lifelong learner. And remember, wealth creation is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires patience, consistency, and a whole lot of grit. Each step you take, no matter how small, brings you closer to your financial goals. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Next, define your destination by setting clear and achievable financial goals. Imagine you're embarking on a journey. Without a destination in mind, you'll simply drift aimlessly. Similarly, your financial journey needs a destination. These are your financial goals. They could range from buying your dream home, funding your children's education, to retiring comfortably. Remember, your goals need to be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. A vague goal like, "I want to be rich," won't cut it. Instead, try, "I want to save $1 million by my 50th birthday." Now that's a goal with a clear sight. Having these goals will guide your financial decisions like a compass, pointing you in the direction of your dreams. When faced with financial choices, ask yourself, will this bring me closer to my goal? If the answer is yes, you're on the right track. Having precise goals will keep you focused on what truly matters. Now let's delve into the heart of financial management: budgeting. Budgeting isn't just about restricting your spending or living a life of frugality. It's about having control and making informed decisions about your money. It's about understanding where your money goes and creating a roadmap for your financial journey. Imagine your income as a pie. Each slice represents a part of your financial obligations, from necessities like rent and groceries to discretionary spending like dining out or travel. Now, the key is to ensure that your pie is divided in a way that aligns with your financial goals. To do this, start by tracking your income and expenses meticulously. Understand your cash inflows and outflows. This tracking isn't just about the big monthly bills, it's also about the small daily expenses that can add up quickly. Your morning coffee, that online subscription you barely use, those impulse buys, they all count. Next, embrace the concept of living below your means. This doesn't mean you need to deny yourself all pleasures. It's about distinguishing between needs and wants, prioritizing your spending, and making conscious choices. It's about avoiding unnecessary expenses and allocating funds wisely. To put it simply, a budget is a financial plan that enables you to save and invest consistently. It's a tool that helps you cut the financial clutter, focus on what truly matters, and build wealth over time. Remember, every dollar saved is a dollar that can work for you in the future. It's time to supercharge your income streams. Now you might be thinking, "I've got a steady job. Isn't that enough?" Well, let me tell you, depending solely on a paycheck is like putting all your eggs in one basket. And we all know how that old saying goes, don't we? The key to financial resilience is diversification. This means not just relying on one source, but multiple streams of income. Think about it. If you've got a side hustle or two, maybe some investments and perhaps even passive income sources, you've got several streams flowing into your financial river. Each one might be a trickle on its own, but together they can create a powerful current. But how do you create these additional streams? Well, it all starts with you. Invest in yourself. Acquire new skills that can open up opportunities for side hustles or freelance work. Is there a course you've been eyeing that could boost your marketability? Go for it. Remember, you are your most valuable asset. Staying relevant in the evolving market is another crucial aspect. Keep up with industry trends, embrace technology, and never stop learning. This will not only make you more attractive to employers, but also open doors to opportunities you may not have even imagined. In the end, the goal is to create a financial portfolio that can weather any storm. And the more streams you have, the more resilient your financial portfolio becomes. Investing is a key pillar of wealth creation. These words ring true as we delve deeper into the art of investing. Think of investing as the process of setting your money into motion. Instead of letting your money sit idle, you're putting it to work, giving it the chance to grow and multiply over time. One of the most powerful concepts in the world of investing is compounding. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more and more snow as it descends. That's compounding, the process of generating earnings on your earnings. Over time, even a small amount invested can grow into a substantial sum, thanks to the magic of compounding. But how do you decide where to invest your hard-earned money? The answer lies in diversification, a fancy term for not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across a variety of asset classes, be it stocks, bonds, real estate, or even cryptocurrencies, you can mitigate risks and increase the likelihood of earning steady returns. Diversification isn't about chasing the next big thing or hopping on the latest investment trend. It's about building a balanced portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's about creating a mix of investments that can weather market fluctuations and stand the test of time. Staying informed about market trends is another crucial aspect of investing. It's about understanding the economic factors that affect the value of your investments. It's about keeping an eye on political developments, technological advancements, and shifts in consumer behavior that could impact the global economy. But remember, successful investing isn't about predicting the future or making quick profits. It's about committing to a long-term strategy and sticking to it, regardless of short-term market volatility. It's about patience, discipline, and the understanding that wealth creation is a slow and steady process. In the end, it's not about timing the market, trying to buy low and sell high. It's about time in the market, giving your investments the time they need to grow and prosper. Remember, it's time in the market, not timing the market, that matters most. Let's address the elephant in the room: debt. Debt, often viewed with disdain, can be a double-edged sword. It can be both a useful tool and a potential pitfall. Some debts, like a mortgage or student loans, can be considered good debt. They're investments in your future, potentially increasing your earning power or asset value over time. Then there's bad debt, like high-interest credit cards, which can quickly spiral out of control if not managed effectively. Prioritizing high-interest debts is crucial. By paying off these debts first, you can save yourself from the snowballing effect of compounding interest. But remember, debt can also be used strategically. For instance, leveraging debt for investments that can potentially generate returns exceeding the interest rate on the debt. However, the ultimate goal is to work towards becoming debt-free, because at the end of the day, the less debt you have, the more of your income you can put towards building your wealth. As your wealth grows, protect it. Wealth protection is an often overlooked yet critical aspect of financial planning. Think of it as building a fortress around your hard-earned assets. The first line of defense is insurance. It's not just about ensuring your life or health. Consider insuring your income, especially if you're the primary breadwinner. An unexpected injury or illness can significantly derail your wealth-building journey. Next, Estate planning. It's not just for the ultra-rich. It's about ensuring your wealth is passed on to your loved ones in the most efficient way possible. This might involve creating a will, setting up trusts, or establishing power of attorney. Finally, risk management strategies. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk across different asset classes. Have an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. These measures provide a safety net, allowing your wealth to continue growing even during turbulent times. Unexpected events can jeopardize your financial stability, so having a solid protection plan in place is essential. Congratulations, you've just embarked on the journey to mastering the art of building wealth. We've journeyed together through mindset, goal setting, budgeting, income diversification, investing, debt management, and wealth protection. Remember, the road to financial success is paved with discipline, informed decision-making, and a resilient mindset. Stay committed, keep learning, and make every step count in your wealth-building journey. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow wealth builders.